Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, March 26, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, March 26, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng March 26, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, March 26, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for March 26, 2025, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, March 26, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.